Hello class, welcome to the second video of trigonometry. In first video we had seen the revision of trigonometric ratios. Okay, now in second video we are going to learn about compound angles. Now what these compound angles are? So compound angles means sum of two angles, okay, A plus B, or difference of two angles A minus B. Okay, I am talking about the sum and difference of two angles. Okay, important word is angles. We are talking about angles, we are not talking about the trigonometric ratios. So class, I am writing two terms. One is sine 30 degree plus sine 45 degree. Okay, this is the one term, right? And the other term is sine 30 degree plus 45 degree. Instead of 45 degree I am taking 60 degree. Okay, so sine 30 degree plus sine 60 degree, and second one is sine 30 degree plus 60 degree. Now class, can you tell me whether both the terms are same or different? Sine 30 plus sine 60 and sine 30 plus 60, both are same or different? So for that, let us check the value. Value for sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 upon 2 plus sine 60. Sine 60 value is root 3 upon 2. So that is equal to 1 plus root 3 upon 2. Right? Now second one, sine 30 plus 60. So that means that is equal to sine 90 degree. Right? And sine 90 degree is 1. So for the first one, for sine 30 plus sine 60, answer is 1 plus root 3 upon 2. But for sine 90 degree, answer is 1. Right? So, right hand side are different. Answer is different for sine 30 plus sine 60 and for sine 90 degree. And therefore, both the terms are not same. Both the terms are different. Both are totally different terms. Now, mathematically, sine 30 plus sine 60, when I am saying sine 30 plus sine 60, then what I am doing? I am first finding the value for sine 30 degree, right? So sine 30 degree 1 upon 2. Then I am finding value for sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree is root 3 upon 2. Then sine 30 plus sine 60 is the addition of two values, right? 1 upon 2 is the value of sine 30 degree. Root 3 upon 2 is the value of sine 60 degree. So this is nothing but the addition of two values. And in sine 30 plus 60, when I am talking about sine 30 plus 60, then what I am doing? First I am adding the angle. Right, 30 plus 60. First I am doing this addition, and what I am getting? 30 plus 60, 90. And then I am taking the sine value, ratio value, trigonometric ratio value, right? So sine 90, and sine 90 is 1. So here in first one there is a addition of two trigonometric ratio. Okay, clear? First one is known as a addition of two trigonometric ratios. Now this second one is known as a addition of two angles. 30 is an angle, 60 is an angle. So this is known as a addition of two angle. So now we are talking about compound angles. So compound angles are angles which are the algebraic sum of two or more angles. So here in compound angles we are talking about the sum of two or more angles. Okay, here we are doing? Here we are adding or subtracting two or more angles. Okay, so see in diagram. In first diagram, this green part is a angle A, this blue part is a angle B. Okay, and compound angle will be A plus B. This whole angle will be A plus B. In second diagram, this orange part is a angle A. This whole angle is known as a angle A. This blue part is a angle B, and I am interested in compound angle, means A minus B. So orange minus blue. I am interested this green part. Okay, so basically just remember that compound angles are a sum of two angles. Okay, so जब भी ये वर्ड आएगा कंपाउंड एंगल, दैट मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द सम और डिफरेंस ऑफ टू एंगल्स. दैट मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट आइदर ए प्लस बी, वेयर ए एंड बी आर टू एंगल्स, और ए माइनस बी, राइट. सो क्लास, we are talking about a plus b or a minus b, as you can see here, right? A plus b, a minus b. Now let us see the trigonometric ratios for a plus b or a minus b. So first, sin a plus b. Okay, so formula for sin a plus b is sin a cos b. Okay, sin a cos b. If it is plus, then put a plus sign. If it is minus, then put minus sign. Cos A, sin B. Okay, sin cos, cos sin. Okay, rule is sin cos, cos sin. Sin A, cos B. Cos A, sin B. Okay, then for sin A minus B, formula is sin A cos B, minus है तो minus cos A sin B. Okay, once again, sin A plus B, pair will be sin A cos B. Okay, since it is plus, so here will come plus. Now cos A sin B. Okay, opposite of first term, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Now if the sign is minus, then what will be the change? Sin A minus B will be sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay, sin A minus B is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay, this is the formula for sine ratio. Now let us see second for cos ratio. So cos A plus B will be cos A cos B. If it is plus, then sign will be minus. If it is minus, then sign will be plus. Alternate sign. Okay, अगर प्लस है तो माइनस, माइनस है तो प्लस. So cos A cos B, then minus sin A sin B. Pair will be cos cos sin sin. Okay, for sin, pair is sin cos cos sin. Here pair is cos cos sin sin. Okay, so for cos A plus B, formula is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. If it is cos A minus B, then formula is cos A cos B plus, if it is minus, then put plus, plus sin A sin B. Okay, so once again let us see the formula. Cos A plus B, formula is what? Cos cos means cos A cos B, cos A cos B. प्लस है तो साइन विल बी माइनस, माइनस साइन साइन. सो साइन ए इंटू साइन बी, कॉस ए कॉस बी माइनस साइन ए साइन बी. If it is cos A minus B, if it is cos A minus B, then formula will be cos A cos B, minus है तो plus sin A sin B. Okay, so formula for cos clear. Now let's see the tan A plus B and tan A minus B formula. So tan A plus B, tan A plus B will be tan A plus tan B. Okay, same sign. Tan A plus B will be tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus, in numerator if it is plus, then denominator it will be minus, opposite of numerator sign. So in numerator it is plus, so denominator will be minus. So 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay, if it is tan A minus B, then formula will be tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus, opposite of numerator sign, so 1 plus tan A into tan B. Okay, so once again let us revise the formula for tan. So tan A plus B, tan A plus B will be tan A plus tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus, opposite of numerator sign, so 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay, so this is the formula for tan. And if it is tan A minus B, if it is tan A minus B, then formula will be tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. Okay, so this is the formula for compound angles. Okay, so compound angle clear? Compound angle means sum of two or more angles. Okay, so here what we are doing? We are first adding or subtracting the angles and then we are taking sine ratios. Okay, so in this we had seen sin A plus B, sin A minus B formula, then cos A plus B, cos A minus B formula, tan A plus B and tan A minus B formula. Okay, so we are going to stop this video here only. In next video we are going to see some useful results based on this compound angle concept. Okay, so thank you students.